Happy Wednesday. It's March the 15th, 2017, down on the pier with my bird. So today is when you come to the edge of all the light you have known and are about to step out into darkness. Faith is knowing one of two things will happen. There will be something to stand on, or you will be taught to fly. And that is Jonathan Livingston Seagull. May you always have faith in yourself and what lies ahead of you, even though you can't see it like the fog up ahead. You know it's bright and sunny on the other side. So always keep the faith.